Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Let me start this particular episode by thanking all of you for your wonderful comments, your feedback, and I have been inundated with messages, but it's all coming on my WhatsApp and my Messenger. I'm really grateful for all the love and support that you have been showing. But can I please request you to just scroll down after the video and leave your comments in the comments section. It really helps me gauge the whole thing better, and it's easier for me to keep a track of what sort of videos and content that you're looking at for the next time. I realize that a lot of you want to know about winter skin and hair care, so that's coming up in a couple of days. But thank you again, and please make sure that you leave the comments in the comment sections. So yeah, thank you so much. We're almost in December and there's a definite nip in the air. It's winter and it's my favorite time of the year. I'm going to be making a few winter related, winter themed videos, so I hope you enjoy those as well. Today's video, if you are looking at some comfortable, sumptuous foods to cozy up this winter, stay tuned and keep watching. With the cold winds blowing, the number of cups of tea per day is definitely bound to increase. So it's just a safer option to shift to a healthier tea and, of course, a much healthier sugar. So here I'm using the palm sugar given by the Kotharis Royal Organic, and I must say that this video is in collaboration with the Kotharis Royal Organic food range. So they've been such great sponsors. So here's a big shout out to them, and do try out their products. I'm going to be using their organic royal green tea. It is definitely one of the better green teas that I've tasted, and packed with antioxidants, which makes it great for this season. So I'm enjoying my cups of tea guilt free with the palm sugar and this lovely green tea that I'm going to be using. So our first recipe, we're going to be using this organic jaggery, and we're going to be making some, we're going to grate it so that it's just easier to blend. We're going to make the good old recipe of the roti ka laddu that everyone likes, and it's high on nutrition. Rotis are so easily and freely available at home, so you just need to grate this and it's really a beautiful product. It grates easily, and the minute you touch it, it'll melt with the warmth of your hands. It smells great and it definitely tastes great. My kids just came and ate, they just sneaked to some. So I'm adding a few cardamom pods to this recipe, but it's completely optional. If you don't like it, then you can skip it. And the beauty of this recipe is that you can really customize it to however your family likes. So if you wanted your roti to be blended a little coarsely or fine, it's really up to you. But you want to make sure that it's easier to mold into a small ball of laddu, and so this is how I'm making it. I don't like it too fine, and I'm going to be adding this to the grated jaggery, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of homemade ghee to it. If you want to skip that, then I think you would want something to hold it and bind it properly. So a little ghee should do you good, and ghee is really nice during the winter, so you can add that. These make for amazing snack bites, and I will add a little sesame seeds to it or some dry fruit powder. See how easily they can be molded into small round balls, and my kids just love it. These are the perfect winter lunchbox snacks. They're easy to eat, they don't spill, and they're sweet, so it's good for any winter cravings that you have. So this is one of the cozy, comfy winter food recipes that we definitely use at home, and we really like it. I hope you enjoy it too. I'm going to be garnishing these with some crunchy, tasty cashews from the Royal Organics food range, and these are ready to be relished. These organic cashews make for the perfect munchies for those before dinner hunger pangs. And hey, I definitely don't mind if he takes more than one. A steaming hot porridge is the perfect winter recipe to cozy up with. And here I'm using the Kotharis Royal Brown rice, and it's an organic rice and it has a beautiful earthy aroma to it. So any sort of porridge is really a big crowd pleaser in my house. We all really like the porridges. And here I'm going to be garnishing this porridge with some sausages and fresh spring onions and some chili flakes and a dollop of cheese maybe. But if you are a vegetarian, you can opt for tofu or soy and dollops of vegetables. There's really no going wrong with this recipe. Sit down, enjoy this sumptuous meal and cozy up this winter with these recipes. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Stay warm, stay well fed with nutritious food, enjoy the winters, and I will see you very soon with a hair and skincare video. Bye for now.